When I arrived at Bask, I was immediately welcomed and greeted with open arms. The space, the lodge is gorgeous. It's absolutely beautiful. Everything in there feels natural and cozy and homey, and I immediately felt like I was in a good place. And coming into Basque, I was a little nervous because I am an introvert and I don't necessarily like being around large groups of people. And it was a bunch of strangers, so I was a little nervous, but I immediately felt like I could be open with them and vulnerable with them. And they just automatically felt like my people. So the experience has been so validating and so welcoming, and everyone has been so kind and so open with each other. And I think the experience has opened my eyes to a lot of different things about myself and also what I'm capable of. It opened my eyes to see what it's like to go without screens for a few days and really tune into who I am as a person and how to connect well with other people and be in nature. And it felt truly just grounding